How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Twitter. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to affiliate/program.amazon.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page. And before that, if you don't know Amazon Associates Program, it is also known as Amazon Affiliates, which is an affiliate marketing program offered by Amazon.com, in which it allows website owners, bloggers, content creators, and other online publishers to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on their websites or through other online marketing efforts. And to sign up to Amazon Associates Program, individuals or businesses interested in becoming Amazon Associates can sign up for a program through Amazon Associates website, in which it will look like this. And from here, the sign-up process involves providing information about your website or online presence and how you plan to promote Amazon products. So basically, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information right here, which is also divided into different kind of sections such as account information, website and mobile app list, profile section, and start using Associates Central. And upon filling out all of the required information, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on the top panel some of the options that you can navigate, including home, product linking, promotions, tools, reports, and help options, in which you will see here under the home option some of the data, including your earnings overview for the last month, for the last weeks, or even for the last day. You will see here the total amount of your commission, the total bounties, and even the number of clicks that you receive. While on the right side panel, you will see the summary for this month, such as the total items that has been shipped, total earnings, or your balances, total ordered items, number of clicks, and even conversion percentage. While under the product linking, by clicking on it, you will see the subcategory such as product links, banners, native shopping ads, mobile popover, and link to any page, in which you can use this option in order to promote some Amazon products using the product links. And aside from that option on the top panel, you could also navigate the promotions such as the Idea Hub, Amazon Bounty Program, Amazon promo codes, and creator rewards. And also, under the tools option, you could also navigate the site stripe, link checker, product advertising API, or even one link. While under reports, you could also navigate the consolidated summary and even your earnings report. Well, if you have any other concerns, you can use the help option, in which by clicking on it, you will be able to navigate some of the program help, creator university, operating agreement, commission income statement, program policies, discussion boards, and even contact us. And you can use some of those options to raise for your concerns or question in this Amazon Associates program. Now moving on how you can promote Amazon links or some of the products of Amazon using your Twitter account. This is one of the example of it. So as you can see, we're currently on a PlayStation account. And on this tweet or post, you will see here an affiliate or tracker links that is also attached on the tweet or post. And if the viewers try to click that link or tracker links, they will be directed on this page. And from here, you will see on this page some of the details or information that you need to know about PlayStation. So that is just basically how you can promote some of the Amazon products using your Twitter account. Since as you can see on this post or tweet, you will see here the context about introducing the PlayStation products, and below is an image or video that you could also input in promoting your Amazon product. And to do that, just go to your Amazon.com, and as you can see here on the top panel, you will see the Amazon Associates, in which it will help you in creating or copying the link of a specific products in Amazon, in which below here you will see a variety of products that you could also choose, but you firstly need to choose your niche or some of the things or products that you want to promote. We have here for kitchen and appliances, for some of the technological advances or gadgets, and even for the educational purposes. So let's say I'm choosing my niche as gadgets, and to search for specific gadgets, just go to the search bar of this platform and kindly search the specific products that you want to promote. And below the result, you will see a variety of products that you can start promoting. While on the left side panel of it, you could also filter the results by customizing the number of stars under the customer review, the brands, and even the price of the product. And after customizing on the left side panel some of the filter, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose a product that you want to promote. So in those products, I'm going to choose to promote this headset. So kindly click on it, and from here you will see the exact title of it, and below is the corresponding prices of this product, including some of the variations and any other details about this product. And to get the tracker links of this product in order to promote on Twitter, we are not going to choose this URL right here, but rather we're going to use the option on the top panel under the Amazon Associates. By clicking this text button, it will show you the text link that has been created below here. So as you can see, this link is shorter than the URL. So all you need to do is to copy this link, and after that, from this Twitter platform, the next thing that you need to do is to promote the product using the link that we just copied. And make sure that it will look like this, which contain a context, the link, and the media files below. The media files can be picture, image, or even a video. And now, to start promoting the Amazon product, just go back to this homepage. And from here, just start creating or generating your post by pasting the tracker links that we just copied earlier. And after that, you can now simply add a context and make sure to make it short and very interesting to read or catchy to the eyes of the viewers. And aside from that, you could also add a video like this one, in which you can simply download this video right here in order to attach it to our Twitter posts or tweets, in which you can simply choose a short clip of a video that is showing the usefulness of the product and simply attach it to our tweets or posts. Now going back to this page, after adding all of the required context and adding a video or media files, just proceed by clicking the post button, and after that you are now start promoting some of the products in Amazon. And you can track the progress of your promotion by going back to this page. You will see here the number of earnings, the number of clicks, and even the total amount of your commission, in which when your followers try to click the tracker links and buy a product that you just promote, you will receive a commission right here, in which it will reflect in your balances. So that is just how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Twitter. Thank you.